Hello, in front of me I've got AUDI SQ5. In this video I'll show you how to set up individual background lighting. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and go to Car, Menu, Vehicle Settings and Background Lighting. Select Individual, tap Plus, and here you can adjust Footwell brightness, Surface lighting brightness, Line lighting brightness, and then you can change color. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.